I'm Divya Vadva. Now, after the train accident that's taken place at Thane's Mumbai station, the Railway Ministry has taken a big step, made a big announcement as far as suburban local trains are concerned that are running in the Mumbai region. They'll all have automatic gate closure systems that will now be installed along with new trains. Now, gate closure arrangements will be made in the old trains as well. This is after the incident that has claimed at least 5 people are feared to be dead. There were people who were hanging from the local train, and this is a train in which about 10 to 12 people are feared to have fallen from the train because they were hanging. In such a situation, many times serious incidents happen, and in order to avoid such serious situations from occurring, the Railway Ministry has taken steps. The incident that took place at 9:20 this morning, the injured who have been taken to the hospital, we're talking about 10 to 12 people who fell to the tracks, and this is because they were hanging from the local train. 5 people are feared to be dead.
जो घटना हुई है इसमें अपने पास में लोकल पे छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज टर्मिनस से कसारा के दरमियान जो लोकल चल रही थी उसके गार्ड ने इस घटना की इन्फॉर्मेशन हम लोगों को दी है। इसमें लोकल में ट्रैवल करने वाले 8 व्यक्ति जो है वो ट्रैक के ऊपर गिरे थे। इन 8 व्यक्तियों को हॉस्पिटल में पहुंचाने के लिए एम्बुलेंस की अरेंजमेंट रेलवे की तरफ से की गई थी। ये घटना जो है लगभग 9:30 बजे के करीब इस घटना की इन्फॉर्मेशन अपने को मिली थी। 9:50 के करीब उसमें एम्बुलेंसेस पहुंचे हैं। अभी सभी व्यक्ति को अस्पताल में पहुंचाया गया है। दूसरी चीज, ये सारे व्यक्ति जो है वो फुटबोर्ड के ऊपर ट्रैवल कर रहे थे लोकल ट्रेन्स की। तीसरी बात, इसके बाद में अभी जो सारी लोकल्स चलाई जा रही है, नई जो लोकल्स आ रही हैं, ये सारे रेक जो है एसी के रेक्स है। इनमें ऑटोमेटिक डोर क्लोजर की फैसिलिटी उपलब्ध है, जिससे कि ऐसी घटना कोई बाद में नहीं होगी। ये प्रयास किया जा रहा है। साथ ही में आईसीएफ के द्वारा एग्जिस्टिंग रेक का रेट्रोफिटमेंट की क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है वो हमारे पास से कोशिश की जाएगी। ऐसा निर्णय अभी रेलवे बोर्ड की तरफ से लिया गया है। इसके चलते बाद में किसी भी व्यक्ति को कोई परेशानी का सामना नहीं करना पड़ेगा।
Also get in my colleague Radhika Ramaswamy, who's getting us the very latest. Radhika, excessive crowding inside the local train going towards the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus led to people falling off that compartment. 5 people are feared to be dead. There are many more who have been injured in the process because they fell to the tracks. And now it's the Railways Ministry that is taking these very much needed steps, which perhaps should have been considered much earlier in advance before such tragedies that have unfolded. We're talking about multiple incidents that have taken place in the past as well.
Absolutely, excessive crowding in Mumbai trains is something that we've been seeing for years together. That has been a recurring problem. But now, of course, the Railway Ministry taking some steps to ensure that people don't hang by the doors or by the footboard, which is why now a gate closure system is something that is being announced by the Railway. Of course, this is some sort of relief for the commuters in the excessively crowded local trains. Now, as far as this accident is concerned, very unfortunate mishap that took place this morning near Mumbra, which is in Thane district. People fell off this overcrowded train. They were hanging by the doors, they were hanging by the exits, and then some sort of jolt happened, after which at least about 10 to 12 people fell off that moving train. We believe that 5 people may have lost their lives, but we are yet to get confirmation on the number of casualties. But this incident happening at about 9 a.m. is what we are being given to understand. The train was traveling towards CST. Which local train or long distance train this is, we are yet to await confirmation on that as well. But Railway Ministry there giving a very important announcement saying that there will be measures taken to ensure safety of passengers. And this is something we've been seeing for years and years. The number of people who get inside several of these local trains, and we are talking about peak hour traffic, peak hour train traffic. At about 9 a.m. is when the incident happened, which means a lot of people must have been tumbling out of the exit doors, and that has led to the mishap. And all kinds of train-related mishaps happen in Mumbai. They were on a daily, regular basis. At least 2 people die as a result of train mishaps in the city of Mumbai and the suburbs of Mumbai as well. But now, finally, Railway Ministry has woken up and has decided to come out with a closure system, a door closure system in many of these trains as a result of overcrowding, and overcrowding leading to at least 5 casualties. we believe 5 people are feared dead, but we are yet to get confirmation at least 10 to 12 people falling off of that moving train.